Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Pal. Today I would like to share a very special achievement in my career. And I completed my professional IT training from Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd, where I received practical exposure and industry level knowledge, and training environment was highly supportive, and I was guided step by step to enhance my technical skills. And I am truly thankful to my faculty, Mr. Rahul sir, Vibhusi sir, for providing excellent technical guidance, and also ma'am Anamika ma'am, who helped me during my admission process and motivated me through my journey. And I am very happy to announce that I have selected my team's computer company with a salary package of 3.2 uh, LPA, and this achievement has been possible because of the training support and guidance, and I received at a Evision Technoserve, and I sincerely thanks Rahul sir, Anamika ma'am, and the entire Evision team for shaping my career in the IT industry. Thank you.